Let's get real. You're a busy professional, crushing it at work. But your fridge? It's a graveyard of wilted greens and regret. You reach for takeout again, and wonder why you feel sluggish and stressed. Enough. It's time to fuel your body like the high-performance machine it is. No hours in the kitchen, just smart, efficient meals that work as hard as you do. These recipes are for people who demand the best, on the job and on their plate. Forget bland diet food. We're talking vibrant flavors, satisfying textures, and meals you'll crave. Ready to transform your plate and your performance? Let's get cooking. Breakfast, the meal you butcher most. It's the first thing you sacrifice when life gets busy, the first thing you skip when you're running late, and the first thing you compromise when you think you don't have time. But what if I told you that the way you start your morning sets the tone for your entire day? That the fuel you choose in the first hour after waking up can make or break your focus, your energy, and your mood? Most mornings you rush, grab a pastry, or skip breakfast entirely. Maybe you think coffee alone will get you through, or you settle for a sugary cereal that leaves you crashing by mid-morning. That ends now. It's time to break the cycle of mindless, empty calories and start fueling your body like it deserves. Here's your 5-minute energizing breakfast wrap, a game changer for busy mornings. All you need is 1 whole wheat tortilla, 2 eggs, and a generous handful of fresh spinach. These simple ingredients are the foundation of a breakfast that's fast, filling, and actually good for you. Add a sprinkle of tangy feta cheese for flavor and a boost of protein. Feta brings a creamy, salty punch that makes this wrap feel indulgent, even though it's packed with nutrients. Crack your eggs into a bowl, season with a pinch of salt and a twist of black pepper, and whisk them with energy. This is your moment to wake up your senses and get your body ready for the day ahead. Whisking vigorously adds air, making your eggs fluffy and light. Pour the eggs into a hot, non-stick skillet. As they begin to set, toss in your spinach and let it wilt gently, releasing its vibrant color and nutrients. Sprinkle the feta over the top, letting it melt just enough to blend with the eggs. Scramble gently, don't overcook. You want soft, creamy eggs, not rubbery ones. Slide the scrambled eggs onto your tortilla. Fold in the sides, roll it up tight, and you've got a breakfast that's portable, mess-free, and satisfying. No more crumbs in the car or sticky fingers. Just a neat, delicious wrap you can eat on the go. This wrap clocks in at just 300 calories, but don't let that fool you. With 20 grams of high-quality protein, it keeps you full and focused for hours. The whole wheat tortilla delivers complex carbs for steady energy, while the spinach adds fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. This isn't just breakfast, it's fuel for your brain and body. The combination of protein, healthy fats, and slow-burning carbs means you'll stay sharp, energized, and ready to tackle whatever comes your way until lunchtime. No more mid-morning crashes, no more reaching for snacks before noon. Want to make mornings even easier? Prep the egg mixture the night before and store it in the fridge. In the morning, just heat, scramble, wrap, and go. You can even assemble the whole wrap ahead of time and reheat it for a grab-and-go option that's faster than any drive-thru. No more excuses. You have the power to start your day with a win every single morning. Imagine biting into a warm, flavorful wrap that you made yourself, knowing you're fueling your body with real, wholesome food. Ditch the cereal and greasy sandwiches, say goodbye to empty calories, and hello to a breakfast that actually supports your goals. You don't need to settle for bland, boring, or unhealthy options just because you're short on time. This wrap is clean, powerful, and respects your time. It's proof that you can eat well, even on your busiest days. With just a few minutes and a handful of ingredients, you can transform your mornings and set yourself up for success. 5 minutes. That's all it takes to set the tone for excellence. In less time than it takes to wait in a drive-through line, you can make a breakfast that powers your body and mind. Stop settling for mediocrity. Eat like a champion. Make your breakfast count, and watch how it transforms your day. Get it done. Lunchtime, your chance to refuel or crash. It's the pivotal moment in your day when you can either recharge your batteries or let your energy fizzle out. Think about it. What you eat now sets the tone for your entire afternoon. Will you power through meetings, projects, and deadlines, or will you find yourself yawning at your desk, counting down the minutes until you can go home? The choice is yours, and it all starts with what you put on your plate. Most settle for soggy sandwiches or greasy pizza. Not you. While the cafeteria line stretches out and the vending machine hums with temptation, you're not reaching for the usual suspects. You know that a quick fix now means a crash later. Instead, you're ready to break the cycle and give your body what it truly craves: real nourishment, real flavor, and real energy. Enter the protein-packed lunch bowl, your secret weapon for midday success. Start with a hearty base of fluffy quinoa, a grain that's not only packed with protein but also keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Add pan-seared chicken breast, juicy and golden, for a boost of lean protein that will keep your muscles and mind sharp. Toss in cherry tomatoes for a burst of sweetness, crisp cucumber for crunch, colorful peppers for vitamins, and a handful of red onion for a little zing. Every bite is a celebration of color, texture, and nutrition. Here's the game changer, meal prep. On Sunday, set aside just 1 hour to assemble 3 of these vibrant bowls. Line them up on your counter, stack them in your fridge, and you've got lunch sorted for half the week. No more scrambling in the morning or settling for whatever's left in the break room. You're prepared, organized, and ready to take on anything the week throws your way. And don't forget the dressing, a homemade touch that takes your lunch from good to unforgettable. In a small jar, combine olive oil, fresh lemon juice, a spoonful of Dijon mustard, minced garlic, a pinch of salt, and a crack of black pepper. Shake it up, taste, and adjust until it's just right. This simple dressing ties everything together, adding brightness and depth to every forkful. Now, assemble your masterpiece. Layer the quinoa, top with sliced chicken, scatter on the veggies, and finish with a sprinkle of creamy feta, a handful of chickpeas for extra protein and fiber, and a shower of fresh herbs like parsley or cilantro. The result? A lunch bowl that's as beautiful as it is delicious, bursting with color, flavor, and nutrients. Open your fridge and see those bowls waiting for you, each one a promise of a better afternoon. They look stunning, and trust me, they taste even better. No more last-minute stress, no more bland, uninspired meals. Just grab and go, knowing you've set yourself up for success. No cues, no decision fatigue, no wasted time. When hunger strikes, you simply grab your bowl, drizzle on that zesty homemade dressing, and dig in, whether you're at your desk, in the break room, or even outside soaking up a little sunshine. It's lunch on your terms, whenever and wherever you need it. While others settle for beige, bland, and boring, you're feasting on a rainbow of nutrients and flavors. Your lunch isn't just food, it's fuel for your ambitions, a statement that you value your health and your time. You're not just eating, you're investing in your own energy, focus, and well-being. 1 hour of prep gives you days of energy, clarity, and confidence. No more 3 p.m. slump, no more sugar crashes, no more wishing you'd made a better choice. You're fueled, focused, and ready to conquer whatever comes your way. This is your strategy for success. Healthy, delicious, and satisfying. You're in control of your midday, your energy, and your results. That's what a power lunch looks like. Own it, and let every afternoon be your best one yet. The afternoon slump hits. Most grab junk from the vending machine, then crash harder. Not you. Meet the Smart Workday Snack Box. 200 calories of strategic snacking. Hard-boiled egg for protein, a handful of raw almonds for healthy fats and crunch, carrot or celery sticks for fiber, and 2 tablespoons of hummus for creamy satisfaction. Use a compartmentalized container. Keeps everything fresh and appealing. When hunger strikes, you're ready. No panic, no poor choices. This snack box keeps you full, focused, and in control. It's the difference between amateurs and pros. You plan, you win. Convenient, portable, and eliminates impulse eating. Outsmart the slump. Don't be a victim of the vending machine. Snack smarter, not harder. Master your afternoon. You've survived the day. Maybe it was a marathon of meetings, a never-ending to-do list, or just the usual chaos of life. Now you're home, tired and hungry. The temptation to order takeout is real. Maybe you're even scrolling through your favorite delivery app, debating between pizza or noodles. But wait, what if you could have something better, faster, and healthier, right in your own kitchen? Tonight, let's make a 10-minute dinner stir-fry that's as easy as it is delicious. All you need is a lean protein. Choose from juicy prawns, tender chicken, or savory beef. Pile on a mountain of fresh, colorful veggies. And don't forget a lightning-fast homemade sauce that brings it all together. This isn't just a meal, it's a reset button for your evening. The secret to making this meal stress-free? Prep your veggies ahead of time, maybe on a Sunday night, or simply grab a bag of pre-chopped vegetables from the store. No more excuses about not having time or energy. This is about making healthy eating effortless even on your busiest days. With everything ready to go, you're already halfway there. Just heat up your pan, and you're set for a quick, satisfying dinner. Start by stir-frying your protein in a hot pan until it's golden and cooked through, then set it aside. Next, toss in your hard veggies. Think carrots, broccoli, or bell peppers. Give them a quick sear to lock in flavor and crunch. Then, add your quick-cooking veggies like snap peas or spinach for a burst of color and freshness. While the veggies cook, whip up your sauce. It's simple. A splash of soy sauce, a drizzle of sesame oil, freshly grated garlic and ginger, and a bit of water to bring it all together. You can even add a dash of chili flakes if you like a little heat. Return your protein to the pan, pour over that glossy, aromatic sauce, and toss everything together. The flavors meld instantly, coating every bite in savory, umami goodness. The kitchen fills with the irresistible scent of garlic and ginger, and you know dinner is just moments away. Take a moment to admire your creation. Everything is glossy, vibrant, and bursting with color. The steam rising from the pan carries the promise of a meal that's both nourishing and deeply satisfying. Serve your stir-fry just as it is for a light, low-carb dinner, or spoon it over a bowl of leftover quinoa or brown rice for extra heartiness. Either way, you're getting a balanced meal packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. In just 10 minutes, you've created a restaurant-quality meal at home, high in protein, low in calories, and absolutely bursting with flavor. No mystery ingredients, no greasy takeout containers, just real food made fast. Gone are the days of greasy regret and heavy, unsatisfying dinners. This is how you end your day: light, nourishing, and deeply satisfying. Stress-free cooking, big results, and a sense of accomplishment you can actually taste. Refuel your body, relax your mind, and reclaim your evening. You deserve a meal that supports your goals and your well-being. This isn't just dinner, it's self-care in a bowl. Fast, fresh, and powerful. You've earned this moment of peace and nourishment. Enjoy every bite. Dessert doesn't have to mean guilt. Enter the guilt-free berry yogurt parfait, your sweet, satisfying 180-calorie reward. Start with plain Greek yogurt, thick, creamy, packed with protein. Add fresh or frozen berries for natural sweetness and antioxidants. Top with a tablespoon of chopped nuts or seeds for crunch and healthy fats. Layer in a clear glass, yogurt, berries, nuts. It looks indulgent, tastes amazing, and takes 5 minutes. No refined sugar, just real ingredients that nourish and delight. This is how you satisfy your sweet tooth and stay on track. Healthy eating isn't boring. It's creative, smart, and delicious. Enjoy your victory. You've earned it. That's a full day of powerful, simple meals. No excuses, just results. This isn't a diet. It's a lifestyle upgrade for professionals who want more. Use these recipes as templates. Swap veggies, change proteins, make it yours. Cooking for yourself is self-respect. Take action, prep your meals, and feel the difference. Consistency is key. Smart choices day after day. Fuel your health, your career, your life. Get in the kitchen and get it done.